Randee's helped me a great deal. I had chronic pain in my shoulder, and that's diminished. I couldn't do this before, nor could I do that. My elbow or my shoulder stopped about there. I'd had problems with my elbow for years and couldn't stretch my arm out. Now I can. And the range of motion I've gained working with Randee is surprising. When I was 10 years old, I couldn't touch my toes. Now I can. I'm not real fast in getting there, but I can get there. And I'm very proud of it. They're very similar. And the benefit of going to Randee is you get long-term improvement. And it's continual. I've continued to improve even after I've gotten through the initial reasons I went to see Randee. My experience with Randee, I got immediate pain relief the first visit. Some of her best qualities, she thinks about ways to help her patients ahead of time. Before I get there, I can tell that she's already looked over my pictures and my videos and any notes she's taken, and she's already figured out next steps and what are we going to do to continue to improve. And we try those things out. If they don't work right away, we try something else. She's got many tricks up her sleeve, so to speak. The Egoscue method alone has over 400 exercises of varying degrees for various, whether it's for a dysfunction or just improving some area that's where your range of motion is limited. She's got an exercise. For Egoscue, I regularly comment how simple the exercises are, but how impactful they are to your overall alignment. It's just incredible. I sometimes say it's almost like magic, and I hate to say that, but that's the way I feel. Specific features I like about the service on the Egoscue is it's got a great app for your phone. You can print out the information and have it so you can read it off printed paper, but I like to use the app because it stays with me